Hello to all. As of late, I have been working on this lightweight build here. I recently upgraded and added some parts. I added a forward hand stop from Railscales, a carved P. I put some titanium pins in, got a KE arms trigger, Railscale CSMR button, and I changed out that crappy charging handle that would not stay closed. And all this together brings the rifle to a total weight of, and as soon as the scale wants to come on, I'll show you. I think we've got it down to 3 pounds, 13 ounces maybe. Ooh, let me make sure it's all on. So 3 pounds, 14. So we lost 0.3 ounces or so. The carved P added about 2.2 ounces to what we lost. And I've been running the Trijicon RMR, and that puts us over 4 pounds right there, and I'm trying to get rid of that. And one thing I did, I purchased a new item, the lightest I've been able to find through my research, and that is this pistol grip right here. This pistol grip right here is from TYR Defense, and it is the lightest pistol grip I've been able to find. All my research has led me to believe there's none that are lighter than this. This pistol grip is very unique in how it's made and in its price. This pistol grip will run you about $170, $180. And it costs that much because it is 3D printed titanium. Now, I do not know much about 3D printing, not that much about titanium, but this thing is very light and it is very, very thin. So, I mean, look at the wall finish. You're looking at less than, man, wow, that is incredibly thin. And it's actually pretty rigid. And when I feel it, I don't want to say it's titanium, really. I kind of say it's polymer. I really don't. When I tap it, it kind of feels like metal, but just in my hand, I'm kind of getting a polymer feel to it. Pretty rigid and very light. As of right now, I'm using a Reptilia Corp polymer pistol grip, and I'm going to see how much weight I am saving by switching this out. So all together, let's see, I hope this doesn't max it out. Yeah, it's a little bit too heavy for this scale. Paddle scale is not made for such things. So here we go. 2.1, 2.3 ounces. So that kind of makes me a little bit happy because I'm thinking this should be under 1 ounce, even with the mounting hardware. So I should be saving a whole ounce from this pistol grip alone. So I like this pistol grip, but lightweight build, sometimes you have to spin it a little bit more to really lose those ounces. I'm curious about this mounting hardware though. So I'm assuming this is a steel screw right there, 0.23 ounces on the steel screw. I think this is a titanium screw. Or not. So I think maybe if I get a titanium screw, I can even save more weight with this right here. But let's see how much this weighs right here. Putting it on, and 0.9 ounces. Throw this on 2, I might bring it up to a total of 1 ounce. 1.3. So I'm going to do some more research. I'll see if I can find a titanium screw, find out what thread pitch this is first, and I'm definitely going to try to find a titanium screw, and hopefully I can keep this, you know, at least at 1 ounce, not bring it up that much higher. So I'm going to install this on the rifle, and hopefully I have a significant drop and bring that rifle weight down under 4 pounds with optic. I don't think it's going to happen. I'm sure some of you guys have already done the math in your head, but let's find out. Real quick, I was looking at where the safety detent spring goes, and it kind of looks like they just sit a little cup in there, if you guys can see that. So a little cup sitting amongst the 3D printed structure around it. So that's pretty cool. I have the spring right here. So that's just gonna pop into there, and there you go. Fit your standard mil spec lower receiver. All right, so here we go. Here is the pistol grip installed onto the rifle. Holding it in my hand, it's not uncomfortable, but it's definitely not the most comfortable feeling. Pistol grip, you know, something like even the Reptilia that I just took off, BCM, I like those. Ergos, this definitely is not on that level. You don't have the same kind of curves, palm swells, and everything to make the most comfortable grip. And it is very smooth, so when I start sweating and stuff like that, I'm not going to have the best grip. Nothing really there causing any extra friction, but this is a lightweight build. Sometimes you got to sacrifice some comfort in the sake of ounces. So let's see what this total weight is going to be now. Woo! We are technically down to 3 pounds, 12 ounces. I'm just going to ignore that for right now. Throwing this on, let's see where we're at. 0.2 ounces. Oh, are you serious? Oh, what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? We're at 0.2 ounces. Um, man, I gotta do some thinking. 0.2, that is the weight of this hand stop up here. I'm keeping that. I'm not getting rid of that. I just don't know where the weight can come from. This is an aluminum carrier, but I think the DSA is cheaper if I want to spend another 180. Oh, look, we dropped an ounce, a tenth of an ounce. I could possibly get a lighter carrier if I want to spend $180. I could get a shorter stock. If I want to spend another $200, I could get a shorter handguard. If I want to spend another $200 too. But man, we are right there. But that is nice to see on the scale. The naked rifle by itself, 3 pounds, 12 ounces. I'm not going to round that up, but we'll see. I am going to actually, I forgot, I'm trading out this Elfman Tactical. I got a V7 safety, titanium core safety. I think that might save me a tenth of an ounce, that tenth of an ounce right here. Oh, well, look. Nope, there we go. So that might save me a tenth of an ounce. I doubt it, but we'll see. I'll sleep on it. If you guys know any lightweight parts that could help get this rifle 3 pounds with an optic, I could possibly get a different optic mount, but I kind of like the look of the ScalaWorks. But we're getting there. This is definitely not going to be my last lightweight build. I very much like it now. It's fun just having a rifle that is so easy to handle and maneuver around. But I appreciate you guys watching. I'll have a full review on the rifle eventually. Until then, take care.